working? Seriously?
I'm guessing this is a police station right here. Those people got here fast.
Yeah, I bet you're gonna have to stop down there for them to fix it. Yeah, that's all one Bruce worked on, right? Maybe the slow train might help reset it, you know. Don't need no booming trains going over it like that Amtrak.
Another one coming the other direction.
That's the same one.
Oh.
From down there.
This thing ain't ever going in.
Yeah, well, it has to.
I hate long trains like that whenever they take forever.
Like when they're slow, I mean, I don't really like them. But when they're fast, you know, you can get a glimpse of them and get the next one, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's the worst part, just like seeing the slow cars. Even for a train, like, even for a guy who likes trains, just seeing a slow train go by isn't really the best thing in the world. And that's saying something. Yeah, that may be another one. I hear another horn. What the hell, like it's coming towards us.
This thing keeps going.
I mean, they'd probably be going fast if that one down there wasn't broken.
That ice cream wasn't really that great. It is okay.
Yeah, it kind of reminded me of
Are you saying that because that lady got us in trouble now?
Yeah, she got us cups called on us.
Yeah, so now you're just saying it wasn't so good because of that.
It's gonna bust in there. What was the name of the place?
I figured it was like dog's ice cream or something.
Like dog days.
I'm pretty sure dog days.
Yeah. We can go bust in there and say, hey, you got the cops called on us. How do you feel now?
People go to prom in there.
Probably won't once they find out that a lady got a cops call on this. And they don't want to get a cops call on them, so they're probably not going to go.
She was still nice though.
Yeah.
They were super nice.
people out here that I've met so far been super nice.
Yeah, honestly. Like, even if they did get the cops one, they're pretty nice. Are you actually gonna go back in there and tell them that?
No.
Here comes the end of it.
These people have to be like so annoyed by trains because these like happen like a million times.
Well, I mean, they live here, so they're probably used to it, you know.
Right.
And let's watch another one come out of nowhere. Oh, I was right. There is one coming out of nowhere. Isn't there?
I don't think so.
I thought I saw like going down the track. Okay, never mind.